1966 Dodge Coronet 440 four-door sedan here at Unique, especially in classics. This one's powered by a 318 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Nicely equipped with power steering, AC. Let's take a look at this front grille, chrome in the bumper, headlight surrounds. This is all original bright work up front, folks. This car actually, I guess I would kind of put it into the time capsule category. All right, still pictures. Let's get that out of the way so I can tell you where to check those out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and a lot of some miscellaneous paperwork that's going to go along with this, and I'll get to that in just a bit. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Did notice there's a little dinger up here in the hood. Paint on this car, not perfect. Again, to me, kind of falls under that time capsule. And interior, pretty much all original in this car. We're going to get to that in just a bit. All right, and as you can see, there's a few scratches here and there. A little corrosion down below here in the lower. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Now, as far as the paperwork is going to come with this, there's an invoice, there's a window sticker, build sheets, brochures, and then miscellaneous paperwork kind of telling about the ownership of this car. And it's well documented as far as the ownership goes. Take a look at the interior. That is original carpeting, original upholstery up front. I want to show you this. This is the original finger hut seat cover that was put on this car when the original owner purchased it the day he retired from Honeywell, and he drove it about 85,000 miles after that. All right, pretty cool. And like I said, to me, just the way the condition is, how much of it's original, kind of falls under that time capsule category. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see a little corrosion in the lower rockers, scuff here or there. Wheel covers, you're going to be able to see those in the still pictures. In the trunk, I believe there's a couple spares. There's a jack. Take a look at those still pictures, because you're also going to see the paperwork I'm talking about. This is actually where it was sold brand new. That is now defunct and long gone. That's where it was sold brand new. Original rear bumper, as you can see also. A little bit of corrosion on each end. And those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into these mid-60 Dodges, maybe you kind of like Survivors, four-door sedans, whatever it may be in the classic car world, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online and or off our showroom floor. So go ahead and subscribe, check it out. As you can see up and down the driver's side of this car, very similar to the passenger side as far as condition of paint. A little corrosion here and there, maybe a bumper or bruise, but they're only original ones, folks. Take a peek at the rear seating area, and again, original upholstery with that original seat cover put on it by the original owner. Listen how that door closes. All right, coming up front, you will be able to see any of the data tags, any VIN tag, anything like that, and with the still pictures also. Again, original upholstery. 318 V8 power, so let's fire it up. This is believed to be actual miles. First owner had it up to 85,000, and I believe it's only been one or two more owners since then. Here is your gauge clusters. Won't expect the temp to be up just due to the fact that it was a cold start. Doesn't look like the gas gauge or fuel gauge has moved. Alternator. Radio I've had power up, have not gotten a station to come in. Blower fan works, wiper fan works. Top of the dash. Headliner also original. Very good shape. Door closes nicely, and how does it sound? Kind of sounds like a stock 1966 Dodge Coronet with a 318. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust or anything like that. Let me pause this 1 second. Let's check out this engine bay. Remember to stick around to the very end of this video. We're taking this car for a drive. Jason will show you how it runs down the road. There's a look at the underside of the hood. And that 318 power. Looks like a newer master cylinder, as you can see there. And again, power steering, AC car. Newer fuel filter. There's been some service and maintenance work done on this. There you go, 1966 Dodge Coronet 440 four-door sedan. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Dodge Coronet. The four-door automatic on the column. You might say family car with a big amount of power. Very nice condition inside and out. There are some nicks and a couple little cracks in the windshield here. But I'm looking at shiny paint on the hood and a clean interior. Nice headliner. Even the rear seat still has some plastic covering it. That is likely like new underneath that plastic. Our temperature gauge is reading a quarter of the way up the gauge. Fuel gauge reads empty. I cannot vouch for the accuracy of that gauge. Alternator right over here, right in the middle of the gauge. And our speedometer is working great. We're doing 55 miles an hour. Blower motor works on this car. The wipers also functioning. Of course, those wing windows that you can pop open and direct the air right onto you. I love those, as well as floor vents. Classic car stuff that should still be around today, in my opinion. Brakes are working well. No pulsations or anything like that. Corners as you would expect for a 66 Coronet. The kickdown does work on that automatic transmission. It's a nice teal color. Kind of a two-tone teal. Room for the whole family. This is one of those perfect road trip cars. Mid-60s classic. Take a look at all the pictures of this Mopar at uniqueclassiccars.com.